How to add a user to YouTube TV. YouTube TV allows you to share your subscription with up to 5 additional family members through a family group. Each member gets their own personalized account, creating individualized viewing experiences. Here's how to set it up. 1. Create a family group. Sign in. Log into your YouTube TV account. Access settings. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Initiate family sharing. In the settings menu, click on Family Sharing, select Manage, and then click Create a Family Group. Confirm details. Review your account information and click Confirm to create the family group. 2. Invite family members. Send invitations. Enter the email addresses or phone numbers of the family members you wish to invite. Await acceptance. After sending the invitations, the invited members will receive an email or SMS. They need to accept the invitation to join your family group. 3. Manage your family group. Add or remove members. As the family group manager, you can add or remove members at any time. To remove someone, go to Settings, Family Sharing, Manage, select the member, and click Remove Member. Set home location. Ensure that all family members reside in the same household, as YouTube TV requires a shared home location for family groups. By following these steps, you can easily share your YouTube TV subscription and enjoy personalized accounts for each member of your family.